In this video, we will see that we can physically track a hurricane as it moves across the ocean. The example of Hurricane Florence, which was born off the coast of Africa at the end of August 2018, is an example. Florence struck the east coast of North America on September 14, 2018, and extinguished a few days later. Here, we have represented the wind speed throughout the life of this disturbance. The Saffir-Simpson scale classifies weather phenomena which occur over the ocean, according to wind speed. As soon as these winds reach a speed of 64 knots, the disturbance becomes a hurricane. The hurricane's eye appears clearly on these views, obtained by satellite systems. The eye is surrounded by a wall of clouds, in which wind speeds are the highest. On September 6, Florence was a hurricane, and became a tropical storm again for a few days, before strengthening from September 10, when it regained its hurricane status. Hurricane Florence downgraded itself to a tropical storm for a period of time. That a hurricane could once again become a tropical storm, depending on the conditions it encounters on the ocean, is good news, and is a relatively frequent occurrence. A hurricane follows a trajectory that meteorologists can predict with relative good accuracy. The speed of Hurricane Florence along its path, plotted in red, is in the order of 10 knots, with a peak at 15 knots. With the appalling atmospheric disturbances that accompany hurricanes, the device that could be considered to track them would necessarily move below sea level, and would sink deep enough in order to avoid dangerous agitations as much as possible. One will reconsider this point in another video. Let us compare now with other mobile bodies in the ocean. A blue whale, the largest animal in nature, moves at a speed of about 11 knots, and is capable, momentarily, of reaching 27 knots. The length of a blue whale is about 30 meters. A submarine can reach speeds of 20 knots. The announced record was 45 knots. Submarines are obviously of varying sizes. It is sufficient here to retain a length of 100 meters. The speeds of blue whales and submarines are significantly higher than the hurricane's travel speed. Since Hurricane Florence was moving at a slower average speed, it would have been possible to follow it using an underwater structure of similar size, i.e., between 30 meters and 100 meters in length. And as we can follow, we can therefore consider treating the hurricane in order to weaken it, which will be the subject of the following videos. Thanks and goodbye.